We're gonna learn how you can use the Umingle video chat website on the Android phone. Firstly, launch your browser and you're just gonna go to umingle.com. On the top, it shows the number of users online. You can also turn on the dark mode from here. There's two options, text or video. Almost all the people choose the video feature here. We also have got the option to match with interests, and you'll be able to match with the people with common interests as you, but it's totally optional. And at the bottom, we also have got the FAQs section. So tap on video option. If it's your first time, it will ask you for camera and microphone access. Tap on allow. And thus we have enabled the camera and microphone access for this website. Now the only problem here might be your video that is very small size. We can solve this problem by tapping on three dots here and enable the desktop side. Once you enable desktop side, your video will now become a little big. And to start the video chat, just tap on start. Hello. If you want to get a broader view, you can just switch to landscape mode. Use the landscape mode. And yes. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
So that's how you can use the Umingle video chat on Android. If you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.